will Londoners like Filipino snacks? Yo Jay, so first things first, we need to find a Filipino store near here.
Yeah man, well, that's what we're about to do now. Let's have a quick look.
We gotta type it in.
Yeah.
Everything for this video you can get right here at the Pinoy Mart.
This challenge is gonna be lit. We're gonna get people from the public trying, you know, Filipino snacks, traditional kind of foods. Let's see what we got inside, man.
Limit service, send your money.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, don't wanna know if I can hit it from behind, I'm sipping on.
Are those fake?
It ain't fake, man. That's Divisoria.
Say play my pussy, but don't play my emotions.
Welcome.
If you spend some money, then maybe I just.
Yet again, we went to central London. We were out here all day, so please smash the like button. Let's get 3,000 likes.
Subscribe.
I roll. If I'm shining, everybody gonna shine. I was born like this, don't even gotta try. I like shot a nigga better over time. They just say I'm not the baddest bitch you like. It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta blame it on the goose. Gotta blame it on my juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. I'm the put it in the proof. Gotta blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice.
Alright guys, so we bought everything we need to. The basket is looking crazy full. Let's angkas it and pay for this food. Ate, magkano po?
12 pound 13 pieces.
Bloody hell, Migs.
What can I get for 25 centavos?
You're in England.
Okay, hold on. I can pay, promise. Okay, let's get trying, Londoners. But first we had to get home, freshen up, and get ready to interview the public. Yo, what's going on? Big Mix, Biggy Travels. I'm here with my cousin Jay.
Big J, let's go. What's cracking?
Do Londoners like Filipino snacks? Hello bro, what's your name?
I'm Jay.
Nice to meet you, Jay. And where are you from?
Spain.
Run, it's a bull.
Spanish, what's your name?
Lara.
Lovely to meet you, Lara. So today we've got some chicharon. And what are you having today?
I'm having some chicharon.
This is a kind of snack, it's a crisp.
Okay.
When we drink beer in Philippines, we eat this.
Always.
So this is our kind of chicharon snack.
Everyone take one, give it a try.
Kalimutan mo na yan, sige maglibang. Huwag kang magpakaibang, dapat ay itawa lang. Ang problema sa babae, dapat tininda.
I like it.
What do you think about it? What do you think?
It's good.
I've tried something similar, but I don't know where.
Salty.
Salty, yeah.
It's got like vinegar. It tastes like vinegar or something.
Garlicky.
Garlicky.
Very garlic. I love it. The whole thing.
Where are you from?
The northwest of Ireland.
I will find you. And I will
Kiss you.
Yummy. We wanted to see what the public thinks of sticko. Wafer with chocolate in the middle. So explain to them what sticko is.
Over here we got sticko, traditional Filipino snack. When we were kids, we used to grow up having one of these, so we want to get you guys to try some.
These were like 1 peso each, so they were like 1p, the equivalent of 1p each. Don't eat it yet. Wait, huh? Wait.
Na maghihintay at hindi ka na malulungkot. Malapit na ako, baby, pauwi na ako. Ako'y pauwi na. Baby, pauwi na ako. Miss na kita. Baby, pauwi na ako. Ako'y uuwi na. Hey, hindi ka na malulungkot. Malapit na ako, baby, pauwi na ako.
You think?
It's good. Very delicious.
Very delicious. Even street performers love our Filipino snacks. Go!
Eat it.
Oh no! Yeah, bro, we got some sticko from Philippines.
Sticko from Philippines.
Yeah.
What you need to do is to hold it in your mouth.
What is she doing? Is she trying to ruin my show? Super da-da-dub!
Patricia, I am gonna karate chop the stick out of your mouth. Now it's very important. Don't move unless you want a free nose job. 3, 2.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers, hey. So what can you compare them to? What flavors can you taste them?
It's swirly.
We're like, wow.
Just chocolate and lime.
You like normal wafers?
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, they're nice. We have quite a similar thing to these. I can't think of what they
What was it? Do you want to cheers each other with it? Just don't saliva up the thing. Don't saliva up the thing.
I like it.
I love it.
No, they're really nice. I like them.
You want more chocolate inside? 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Bing. Oh, yeah. She dropped it. Oh no.
C'est très bon. It's really good.
Très bon. It's good. Hey. Everywhere we go, people were showing us love. Where are you from?
I'm from Greece.
And you love Philippines?
Yeah, I love them. Mabuhay, Philippines!
Yo, so people are going mad for Filipino snacks right now. I'm just walking up to people and everyone's trying it. They're like, whoa, what is this? What are these like weird crisps? What are these weird chocolates? They're so lovely. What can you say about Filipino snacks?
She's shy.
Chocolate, a very dry peanut butter chocolate. And where are you guys from?
Norway.
Norway! Alright guys, so you're gonna be trying some Filipino chocolate. You just gotta stuff it in your mouth.
It reminds me something is delicious.
It tastes like peanut butter.
Tastes like peanut butter, yeah?
Yeah, it kind of falls apart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bit flaky.
The whole thing. Whoa.
It is like not. Yeah, like peanut butter. Crumbly.
Is it too dry? It's too dry.
It's like hard to swallow, kind of.
I'm addicted to eating sand.
It's like peanut butter.
Peanut butter, yeah?
Like the inside of a Reese's.
Oh, that's good. That's like Reese's almost.
Oh,
Very good, huh?
very good.
Yeah, tasty. I like it.
Yay!
I'm gonna take some to Portugal.
Yeah.
Inside, but like a fudgy kind of one.
Oh, crumbly. It's crumbled all over the place. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Oh, it's better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, baby. From Kazakhstan, hey! Oh.
So soft, right? Yeah. Super soft.
What's your name, bro?
Timothy.
And where are you from?
You're from France.
Okay.
Give us a French description, it's fine.
Fondant.
Piattos. Where are you guys from?
London.
Londoner.
Yeah, northwest London.
Northwest London, pat pat, reppin'. Oh. What's it taste like, bro?
I don't know.
It's good. But it's good. Yes. Yeah, ta-da! Trying some Piattos today, what do you think?
Quite nice. Yeah, that's lovely. They're like cheese and...
A little bit pepper.
A little bit of paper.
yeah.
Cheese, very cheesy. Spin it round, let's see.
Chick boy.
It's called Chick Boy. What do you think about that?
Boy. Sexy.
Sexy name.
Pizza.
Your honest opinion.
It's not good.
It's not good.
okay.
Don't like it.
It's okay, but not that good.
Not that good.
It could be a little bit sweeter.
A little bit sweeter. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
That's really fucking weird, man.
Really weird.
They're addictive. I love
It's
them.
savoury. It's chickpeas, no?
It's actually made from tapioca.
Then why the fuck's it got a thing on it?
A sweet
It's
one.
corn flavor. Sweet corn flavor. Yeah, but it's made from tapioca. They're addictive though. I love those.
Can I keep it?
Yo guys, Big Mix Biggie Travels. That was people trying Filipino snacks here in London. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please click that subscribe button and write us some comments and tell us what you think about Londoners trying these snacks. Big Migs, over and out.
Please subscribe.
Thank you Ate Jonah at the Pinoy Mart. Thank you Ate, we love you. Root beer. Moo.